Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Logos College Online Learning. This is Chan Toto. Today we're going to talk about two consonant sounds that I know you've learned, and these sounds, if you go to page 42 in your book, it's unit 17 in your book. These two consonant sounds are the and the v sound, right? So one sound is voiced and the other sound is unvoiced. Right? And these sounds, you say these sounds a lot in English because they're found in words that are very common when we speak every day. Like the words like the, and them, they, that, this, there, right? If you look at this picture, this says, happy birthday. So the TH right here, the TH is the most common spelling for the sound. This symbol, this picture here is a symbol of the weather symbols. Right? And the word here is weather. Right? Weather, in the word weather, the TH here, this is a voiced TH consonant, and the sound sounds like this. Weather. So remember, I know I haven't taught some of you, but the ones that I have taught, make sure that your throat shakes. Your throat should vibrate when you make this sound. A good way to do that is just to touch your throat. And when you make the sound, there is voice from your throat. You're making this sound right here, this weird looking symbol. Kind of looks like an upside down or a backwards 6 with a line through the top part. Right? This symbol here, the theta, this is unvoiced. And so the theta, this is unvoiced, and this symbol here, this is voiced. This is the So you have the voiceless, which means unvoiced, and then you also have the voice, which is where your throat vibrates. All right? Words such as think, theater, health, birthday, and breath, these have the unvoiced TH sound. Where words such as there, this, that, bathe, breathe, these have the voiced TH sound. You notice these three words, there, this, that. Right? So these are some very common words that we say every day. That's why it's important to learn how to make this sound properly. Right? So let's take a look at the first sound. This is the unvoiced consonant sound, and this is as in think. You can also find the words, this sound in words like thank, bath, author, and the number 3. And notice the symbol of this sound right here. And almost all of the time, this sound, you'll spell it with the letters T and the letters H. So this sound is found in Southeast Asia, in the Southeast Asian languages, all right? But the way the Americans make this sound, or the British make this sound, it's a little different from the way Asians from when Asian dialects and Asian accents make this sound. Right? So this consonant is a fricative consonant. And look at where your tongue is. Look at where your tongue is, and look at where your teeth is, right here. Remember, fricative consonants, you make the sound by two or more parts in your mouth touching each other, and you're letting air through friction. I'm going to show you a video because you'll probably hear this sound a little better, right? So here's this video, and listen to it for about a few minutes.
This sound is not that hard to make. Once you learn how to do it, it's just a matter of practice. So let's find out how to make the th sound. This sound is all about the tip of your tongue. Slightly open your mouth and put the tip of your tongue between your front teeth. Note that the tip of your tongue may gently touch the bottom of your upper front teeth. Now,
notice he says gently touch, right? It doesn't mean bite. Don't bite your tongue with your teeth. Just touch it softly.
blow air over your tongue, making a noise with friction. The stream of air should flow between your upper teeth and your tongue. Note that the th is a voiceless fricative sound. This means that it's made from friction in the stream of air, but not with your voice. Let's try saying it. Here are a few typical mistakes that people make when pronouncing the th sound. 1. Keeping the mouth closed or biting the bottom lip. The th gets distorted and sounds more like the th. Make sure your mouth is slightly open and that your upper teeth don't touch your lower lip. 2. Not pushing the tongue forward enough or pressing the tongue against the upper front teeth. This way you'll make a sound in between the s, z, and the th. Put the tip of your tongue between your upper and bottom front teeth. 3. Stopping the airflow with the tip of the tongue. The th gets distorted and sounds more like t or d. Th is a continuous sound, so keep the airstream flowing. You should be able to stretch out the th like this. Now, let's practice the th sound in some words.
Okay. So from that video, you can see that the mouth is slightly open, right? And the tongue touches gently the back of your top teeth, and then you let air glide over, or you push air out through with friction. Right? This is an unvoiced fricative. Right? You notice how he talked about some things that you don't do. Right? You don't bite the bottom lip, right? And then you don't stop the air. And then he also said that this is a long sound, and you can make the sound for, I think he made it for about 3.5 seconds. So here's some words that have the sound, right? Words like death, depth, earth, faith, fifth, fourth, math, month, mouth. If you look on your book, Part B, my copy is a little different from yours, but all these words down here all have the sound. They want you to practice. Notice the words, 3 words in the middle. These have the target sound. All right? So over here, this word is sick. This word is thick. All right? This word is boat. This word is both. This word is free. This word is three. I'm going to read these words aloud to you right here. Feel free to repeat after me, okay? Think. Think. Thought. Third. Month. Healthy. Birthday. Maths. Fifth. Tenth. Earth. Length. Fourth. With. Both. So I highlighted with in blue because some people also say with. All right, so I've heard it with an unvoiced with, and I've also heard it with a voiced with. Here's some other words. Thor. All right, this is thunder. This is your thumb. This is a thermometer. All right, thrash, thrust. Thorn are those little spiky things on the rose. This is a thimble. This is thread. This is a headache. When you have a really bad headache, they say throbbing headache. Right? Here, you say, I have a throbbing headache. Other words, I'm sorry, I should have spelled this out later. Thunder. This thing right here, that's a thermometer. Right. What else? This string, they could also call it thread. And this little thing right here, this is also called a thimble. Okay. And the thrust is what pushes, the force that pushes the rocket up into space. All right, that's a thrust. All right, let's move on to the next sound. So this sound, this is the voiced consonant sound. And this sound sounds like this. As in the word, this. Other words you might hear this sound, or you will hear this sound, is than, there, other, mother. Notice the symbol. Like I said, it looks like the number 6 backwards and then this little line through it. Okay. So this sound is only found in less than 10% of the world's languages. So this sound might be new to you. But you have to remember that you make this sound the same way that you make the th sound, but you have to add voice. You have to add voice to your throat. So it sounds like this. All right? And your throat needs to shake. The little bone in your throat, if you put your finger on it, it needs to vibrate. It needs to shake. And the mouth movement is the same way as the unvoiced, except this is voiced. So look at these words. If you notice, these words are very common. Words like then, there, these, they, this, those, though, thus, another, bathe. Be careful, if you take the E away, if you take the E away, it sounds like this, bath. And that's unvoiced. You add the E, it means bathe, which is a voice one. Okay. Bath is a noun, bathe is the verb. Here's a common word, right? You say this word, brother. Right? Brother. Here's another common word, all right? Together. Together. So here, this sound is only in 1% of words, but you use those 1% words a lot. And you find these words in 80% of sentences. And the reason is because a lot of these words are function words, right? If you don't remember what function and content words are, if you go to page 72 in your book, on page 72, that's unit 32, it shows you the difference between function words and content words, right? And words like the, this, that, then, there, them, they, right? Those are function words, right? So this is the reason why 80%, more than 80% of sentences have the th sound, because they are found in those function words. This is part C in your book. This is the th sound. They want you to practice, okay? You're welcome to repeat after me. This word is breed. This word is breathe. If you take the E away, it sounds like this, breath. That's unvoiced. You add the E, it sounds like this, breathe. That's voiced. Breath is a noun, breathe is a verb. This word is den, this word is then. This is van, this is than. In your book you have day. This word is they. Breeze, breathe. Down here, I'll say these words. You're welcome to repeat after me. All right? These, though, they, other, weather, clothes. That's very hard to say. Clothes, breathe, with, sunbathe. This is when you get a suntan, when you sit out in the sun. Sunbathe, okay? Again, with, I've heard with and with. Right. Look at over this sentence over here. It says, my father and mother live together with my other brother. So this has a th sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. All right, notice the spelling. It says always, always, always. The letters TH make the unvoiced and the voice th sound. In a few places and names of people, TH is pronounced as a T, as in the country Thailand and the name Thomas. But to make these two sounds, you always spell it with TH. Always spell with TH to make these two sounds. This is the voice v sound, all right? Here's some words. Clothes, slither, leather, weather, rather, gather. This means to meet, to come together, gather. Right? Others, altogether, neither, smooth, worthy, wither. You notice that a lot of times, if the TH has a vowel in front and a vowel afterwards, it'll be the voiced v sound. Again, a lot of times, if there is a vowel in front, before, and after the TH will have the voiced v sound. Not all the time, most of the time. Okay, if you look on page 43, sorry about my version. I had to take a picture, download a PDF. And we'll do one exercise together before I let you go today. And this exercise is 17.1. Right? Exercise 17.1. And the instructions say they would like you to find a route from start to finish. You may pass a square only if it has the sound, the unvoiced sound, unvoiced, so your throat does not shake. You can only go side to side or up and down. All right, let's start. We got to get to finish. South. All right. So which way do we go? Here, this is Bath. This is southern. So this is a voiced consonant sound, the th, southern. So you would have to go this way to Bath. All right. Let's make an arrow. Perfect. All right, next. Oop, sorry. Okay. Do we go bathing or third? Bathing, third. You would come this way. Next, we already know we can't go to southern. All right? This is there. This is cloth. Again, there, cloth. Here you would go down. All right? Next words, mouth, path, clothes. So if you can go to path, but then you're stuck, right? And you can't go anywhere else. So you have to go to mouth. All right. You're here. Next word. You can't go to there. This is thousand, and this is fifth. If you go to 1,000, you can't go anywhere else because these have the th sound. So you have to go fifth. All right. Through, with. Here, through. This one, thought, though. You go to thought. Next word, you have to go this way, breath. You can't go to though, you have to go to youth. Next word, you have to come down to thumb. Then you go to worth. And then you finally, you end up in teeth. Okay. Okay. I'm going to let you I'm going to make one more video. I'm going to stop this video here. All right. I'm going to make another video. But this video is going to have listening exercises on the next video. Right? And that video is where you're going to have to listen to the audio and then fill in the Google form of the correct answer. So I'm going to change all of this stuff, all of this into a Google form for you. And you're going to have to listen to the audio, right? And your Google form is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 answers, or 18 questions, okay? So your next video, I'm going to end this video here. Your next video is going to have audio, and you have to listen to this audio for you to be able to do your Google form, okay? Okay, that's it for now then. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please watch, or I'm sorry, please send me a message on WhatsApp, or send me an email, or send me a message on your Google Classroom stream, okay? Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching again. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.